Severe weather threat, heavy rain threat, flash flooding threat. It's all there through Monday. I think after that, things improve. But several rounds of thunderstorms. You saw this morning, this Thursday morning, that first round of thunderstorms. There were some reports of small hail covering the ground in western Pulaski County, some gusty winds, heavy rainfall. It's a preview of things to come. Another quick reminder to download the Arkansas Storm Team app and get those warning notifications set up, and we send those videos too. All right, I'm going to go over everything from the severe weather threat to the flooding threat. I got it all here, and I will try to make this as short as possible. This is the risk area this coming Friday, so tomorrow. It's a low risk for the northwestern one half of the state. All right, that's Friday, low risk. Let's go to Saturday. It moves back towards the west, and I think significant severe weather Saturday, Oklahoma, Kansas, North Texas, and those areas. All right, so that's Saturday. Then we look at Sunday, and it pulls back towards the east. Let's go over the short-term high-resolution computer models. This is this morning. It did a pretty decent job. Remember, I say these are never perfect, but it does show you a good job of where the rain is. Okay, so let's go throughout time here. See how that, let's go to noon. Mostly lifts north of Little Rock by 1 p.m. This is this afternoon. This is late Thursday. Go into Friday. Things are pretty quiet, except western Arkansas in the morning. Let's stop this at noon. So this is noon Friday. So there is that severe weather threat Friday, mid to late afternoon into the early evening. This suggests that this area of the state may have quite a bit of rainfall and cloud cover Friday morning and afternoon, which would limit the severe weather potential later in the day. If this isn't there, then I think the severe weather potential is a little bit greater. But that shows us a pretty good area of rain Friday afternoon. You see some strong storms trying to develop. See, this is at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. You see these storms try to get going as that area of rain lifts towards the north. But you see storms try to get going, but the question is, how many will there be and how intense will they become? But there's that potential. You see these isolated thunderstorms. That's at 8 p.m., it's 9, 10 p.m. Friday, and 11 p.m. And then I think things settle down. So that's the initial threat on Friday. So it's conditional. We'll see what happens during the day with western Arkansas rain. Saturday, can't rule out a strong to severe thunderstorm, especially western Arkansas, but I think the bigger threat will be towards the west. And I keep talking about severe weather, but we got flooding potential too. But let me get through Sunday. So this is Sunday, and I want you to notice that these areas of blues, greens, reds, oranges, all that, that's rainfall over the previous 6 hours. So this is ending at 10 a.m. Sunday. So remember, that's over the previous 6 hours. That's Sunday morning. So this is the time period from 1 p.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Sunday. And this computer model is seeing thunderstorms. All right, you see that? You see how it really starts to blossom, get more rain, heavier rain, maybe bigger thunderstorms. But there's something I'm going to show you here in just a second. So this is showing the rainfall between, let's see, this is ending at 10 p.m. So the 6 hours prior to 10 p.m. Look how the rain becomes very heavy Sunday night and into Monday morning across a good bit of Arkansas. So you have a low severe weather threat, but I think a significant flash flooding threat going into Monday morning. This is through Monday afternoon. Then after that, I think it starts to dry out. Let me just show here. Again, it's a computer model, so don't take these amounts literally. Total precipitation. I mean, there could be an area, and where this sets up, it could be different. But it does show the potential for at least 4 inches of rain and maybe more than that in spots, in smaller spots. All right, now over to the, let me back this up a little bit, to the instability levels. Sunday afternoon, this is at 4 p.m., and this is CAPE, Convective Available Potential Energy. This shows instability. So there is that severe weather threat Sunday afternoon where these levels get above 1,000 and above 2,000 in some instances. So that's an unstable atmosphere. But look what happens once the storms pick up, and you start to see more clouds, more storms. It utilizes that energy and zaps it so that by 1 a.m., again, this is according to a computer model, by 1 a.m. Monday, there's not a whole lot of instability left. And that's why I think it turns more into a heavy rain threat. Excessive rainfall forecast. This is, I'm going to take you through the next several days here. So this is today. So you see the excessive rainfall forecast down here, slight, marginal. I don't know why it's backwards like this, but they got slight, marginal, moderate, and high. Day 2, so this is Friday. You see there is a slight risk for excessive rainfall. Day 3, which is Saturday. Notice, just like the severe weather threat, it moves towards the west. So you're looking at Oklahoma, severe threat and flooding threat. So that's Saturday. Sunday, it's right back over Arkansas along with that threat for severe weather. But again, I think we're going to see some heavy rainfall. And then Monday, see how it shifts towards the east and the southeast as this whole system begins to depart. All right, 6.5 minutes. I've gone longer. Severe threat, flash flooding threat, doesn't rain the whole time. There are several time periods to watch in different regions in different areas like Oklahoma, Arkansas throughout the next few days. It's typical spring storm system. After we get rid of this, temperatures pop back up in the 70s and 80s with drying weather next week. I haven't looked at the long-term stuff for today, but that's what I saw yesterday, which means the grass is going to be growing even more, the flowers. So the rainfall is good. You just don't want a whole lot of rainfall at one time. That's what you don't want. But the spring rains are here. Download the Arkansas Storm Team app once again. Get that on your phone, and please make sure that your friends and your family have it on their phone too. We'll be sending out numerous video updates. Get those instant watches and warnings. The interactive radar. It is loaded with features. All right. Thank you, as always, for your trust, and have a safe day, and we'll keep you updated.